Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we making a baby hooded sweater for 12 to 18 month size. Length from neckline. Length from neckline 14.5 inches, 37 centimeter. Sleeve from underarm. Sleeve from underarm 24 centimeter, 19.5 inches, 23 inches, 60 centimeter. 30 front, 30 centimeter front, 30 centimeter back, total 60 centimeter. Okay, here we going to make, in this video we going to show you a hooded jacket for boys and girls. Let us start the pattern. We are using for this sweater 400 gram double knit wool, 4 ply, 4 millimeter crochet hook, 4 millimeter crochet hook. Let us start the pattern. Okay, make a loop, double knit, 4 ply wool, 4 millimeter crochet hook, double knit, 4 ply wool, 4 millimeter crochet hook, make a loop, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Chains 59. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Do and continue. 59 chains. 1 2 3 4. Make 1 double crochet into 4th chain. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. These 3 chain we count. First double crochet, make 1 double crochet in each chain across. 59 and here 60. Total 60 double crochet in round 1. Divide stitches in 4 part. 10 stitches for front, 10 stitches for shoulder, 20 stitches for back, 10 stitches for second shoulder and 10 stitches for second front. Here we going to work for the front. 3 chains we count. First double crochet. Round 2, 3 chains we count. First double crochet into next stitch. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Here into 9 stitches make double crochet. Into 9 stitches make double crochet. 3 chain we count. First double crochet 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Here into next double crochet make double crochet, chain 1 and 1 double crochet. Here a corner. First 10 stitches for the front. Next 9 stitches make 1 double crochet for shoulder. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. 9 stitches for shoulder. Into next double crochet stitch make a V stitch for corner, double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet. 10 stitches for shoulder, 10 stitches for front, 20 stitches for back side. In here 19 stitches, make 1 double crochet for back side. 1 2 3 4 5. Continue 19 double crochet for back side. 18 and 19 double crochet for back side. From corner 19 double crochet for back side. Here into next stitch, make a corner double crochet, chain 1 and 1 double crochet. Okay, do and follow the same work as we done for shoulder and front. Make 9 double crochet for second shoulder. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. In here 9 double crochet for second shoulder. From corner 9 double crochet for second shoulder. Make corner into next double crochet stitch. Double crochet 1, chain 1 and 1 double crochet into same stitch. Make a corner into next stitch. Here into 9 stitches, make 1 double crochet. 1 2 3 4. Okay, here we complete 2 rounds. Do and follow. Round 3 chain. We count first double crochet, make 1 double crochet into 10 stitches. 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Here into next stitch, make 1 double crochet. 10 double crochet for front. We add the corner stitch into the front. Make a corner into middle of corner, double crochet, 1 chain and 1 double crochet into middle of corner. Do and follow the same work. From corner to corner, 1 double crochet. Start from corner stitch. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 double crochet for corner to corner, make 11 double crochet for shoulder. Okay, here into space, we stitch space, make a double crochet, 1 chain and 1 double crochet. Make into corner, make into middle of corner, double crochet, chain 1 double crochet. Okay, do and follow the same work across into back side. From corner start, make 1 double crochet, 21 stitches. Into corner, make a corner, 11 double crochet for second shoulder, corner into middle of corner and 1 double crochet across into 10 stitches. Make 1 double crochet, 21 stitches from corner for back side. 1 2 3 4. Do and continue 1 double crochet to next corner, 21 double crochet, 20 and here 21 double crochet for back side. Make a corner into middle of corner, double crochet, 1 chain and double crochet. 1 double crochet, 11 stitches for second shoulder. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 double crochet for second shoulder. Make a corner into middle of corner, 1 double crochet, chain 1 and 1 double crochet. Okay, 1 double crochet, 10 stitches for second front. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and here 10 double crochet for second front. Okay, 10 double crochet for second front. Make a corner into middle of corner. Do and follow the same work as round 3. Do and continue and make double crochet in each double crochet stitch, corner into middle of corner, first shoulder for back side, then across into second shoulder, then across into front. We will follow the same pattern as round 3 for the chest. Okay, here we complete 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 row. Now we going to join round in a third chain, slip stitch. With the slip stitch to join round, 3 chains, we count first double crochet, double crochet in each stitch, do and continue the same work. Make 1 double crochet in each stitch to corner, make corner into middle of corner. Okay, here we complete a front, make corner into middle of corner. Do and follow the same work as we done here. Double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet into middle of corner. Okay, this is round 11. Do and continue the same work. 1 double crochet in each stitch into shoulder, make corner into middle of corner. Continue the same work into back side, then across into second shoulder, then across into front. Here to join into third chain. At the end of round 11, make 1 double crochet in my last stitches. Here into third chain, make a slip stitch to join. For round 12 and round 13, okay, complete round 11, slip stitch into third chain. For round 12 and round 13, do and follow the same work is round 13. 3 chains, we count first double crochet, turn work, make 1 double crochet in each stitch across into front. Do and continue, make 1 double crochet across into front, then make a corner into middle of corner, double crochet, chain 1 double crochet. Follow the same work around in here. Do slip stitch to join as we done for round 11. For round 12 and round 13, do and follow the same work as round 11. Okay, here we complete 12 rounds. In round 13, we going to divide stitches for arm. Okay, here in round 13, we going to divide stitches for sleeves into corner. Here at front, we working at front 3 chain, we make 1 double crochet. Here into corner, make double crochet. Into middle of corner, make 1 more double crochet. Okay, skip the sleeves stitches. Here into next corner make 1 double crochet. Here skip stitches for sleeve, make 1 double crochet into middle of corner, continue and make, do and continue 1 double crochet for back side, corner to corner across. Double crochet in each stitch across for back side here, then into corner make 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet into middle of corner, crochet into middle of corner, skip a sleeve stitches. Here into next corner make 1 double crochet, from here 1 double crochet across into front. Here at front make 1 double crochet, one double crochet across at front, slip stitch to join into third chain. Okay, here make a slip stitch into third chain and finish off total 13 rounds. Finish off here. Here we complete 13 rounds. We divide stitches for sleeve 13 rounds 6.5 inches. Here we going to join into sleeve here. Okay, under arm here we going to join again here into stitch, under arm join again, wrong side chain 1, make single crochet and 1 double crochet, single crochet, single crochet, 1 double crochet, do and continue single crochet, double crochet, double crochet, single crochet next stitch, 1 double crochet into next stitch, 1 single crochet into next stitch, double crochet, single crochet, do and continue the same work. Okay, here at the end make single crochet, this is the front and here a wrong side, double crochet next stitch and single crochet into next stitch, slip stitch to join into chain 1. Okay, round 2, 1 2 3 chains we count. First double crochet, make 1 double crochet, turn work. This is round 1 and round 2. Here we complete round 1 and this is round 2. 3 chains we count. First double crochet, make 1 double crochet in each stitch around. Here at the end of round 2 make 1 double crochet in my last stitches, slip stitch to join into third chain. For the pattern of sweater, do and repeat the same work round 1 and round 2. Pattern of sweater, do and follow the same work round 1 and round 2. Chain 1, turn work, single crochet into same stitch, 1 double crochet into next stitch, single crochet, next stitch, single crochet, next stitch, 1 double crochet into next stitch, 1 single crochet into next stitch, 1 double crochet into next stitch. Do and continue single crochet, double crochet around, slip stitch into first single crochet, then turn work and make 1 double crochet next round. Do and follow the same work round 2 and round 3 for the pattern of sweater. Okay, here we complete. From here 7.5 inches, from top 13.5 inches. We complete here 14 rounds, then we change the color 1 2 3 round, we repeat in the second color. Here we repeat 3 rounds in the second color, 14 rounds. Here we repeat in blue color. Now we going to make a border. Here right side facing, chain 1, make single crochet into same stitch, single crochet around in each stitch, make 1 single crochet in each stitch around, single crochet in each stitch around. Okay, here make a single crochet in my last stitch, slip stitch to join into first single crochet, chain 1, this chain 1 we don't count, turn work, repeat 4 more rounds, total 5 round of single crochet, repeat single crochet into same stitch, 1 single crochet around in each stitch. Make 1 single crochet in each stitch around. Okay, round 2 to 5, total 5 round repeat of single crochet around for the bend, 1 single crochet in each stitch around, then turn work, repeat 5 rounds. Okay, here we complete 5 round of single crochet. Now we going to show you a sleeves. Do and follow the same work as we done here. Here into wrong side we going to start work. Here into middle under arm, under arm this stitch, middle stitch we going to start work. This chain 1 we don't count as a stitch, chain 1, here into stitch, make a single crochet and 1 double crochet into next stitch, repeat single crochet next stitch, single crochet next stitch and double crochet into next stitch. Do and continue, make single crochet into next stitch, 1 double crochet next stitch, single crochet, double crochet around the armhole for the sleeve. Here a pattern as we done here. Do and follow the same pattern for the sleeve. Okay, here make a single crochet and 1 double crochet here, slip stitch into chain 1 to join round, 3 chain we don't count, this 3 chain, make 1 double crochet in each stitch around, turn work, 3 chains and 1 double crochet in each stitch around, Okay, for the pattern of sleeve, do and follow the same work as we done here for the sweater. One of round 1 and round 2 repeat. Okay, here at the end of round 2 make double crochet in my last 2 stitches, double crochet, last single crochet stitch, slip stitch to join into third chain, chain 1, turn work, here my last double crochet stitch, working into this. Here this is my last double crochet stitch, working into this stitch, not into the slip stitch. Here make single crochet, next stitch, double crochet into next stitch, do and continue, make single crochet, double crochet around, okay. For the pattern of sleeve, do and repeat the same work. This is round 3, round 1, round 2, do and follow for the pattern of sleeve. From underarm 10 inches 25 centimeters. First we going to make a neckline. From here into corner, join the same color first, join the same color here into corner, chain 1, into edging of neckline make 1 single crochet, single crochet here into edging neckline, here make 1 single crochet into the same color as we going, 1 single crochet into edging to the corner, then change the next color and repeat 3 round single crochet as we done for the cuff and for the border. Here repeat 3 rounds into this color. Okay, here we repeat 4 round of single crochet for the neckline. Both side we going to make 4 round. Here repeat 2 rounds in my third round. Now we going to make buttonholes. In my third round we going to make buttonholes, chain 1, single crochet into next stitch, chain 1, skip next stitch, single crochet into next stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 single crochet, make second buttonhole, chain 1, skip next stitch, single crochet next stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, chain 1, skip next stitch, single crochet next stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, in here make 6 single crochet in my end, 1, 2, 3 buttonholes, chain 1, turn work, single crochet 1, 2, 3. This is round 4 for neckline. 1 2 3 4 5. Here into chain 1 space, make a single crochet in each stitch across. Again here make single crochet into chain 1 space for buttonholes. Do and continue the same work across to end. Single crochet in each stitch, in each 5 stitches. Here into chain space, make a single crochet in my last 2 stitches. Okay, here into neckline, make a single crochet, here make 1 2 3 buttonholes. In here into neckline, make 1 single crochet around the neckline. Single crochet around the neckline. Then finish off. Okay, here we complete a button band both sides. Now make 1 single crochet around, then make a hooded for the sweater. For the hooded, make chains 70. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 68 69 70 chains. This is a first loop, second loop, and here a third loop. We going to work into third loop here. Single crochet, leave the first two loops, working into third loop here. Make single crochet, in each single crochet in each chain across. These first 2 loops leave and working into third loop here. This third loop we going to work. Make 1 single crochet in each chain, total 70 single crochet. Complete 1 round single crochet for the hooded cape. Round 2, chain 1, turn work. This chain 1 we count as a single crochet into next stitch. One single crochet into next stitch, 1 single crochet across in each stitch. Single crochet across in each stitch. Okay, do and continue and make 1 single crochet in each stitch across. Repeat 4 rounds of single crochet. End of round 4, make single crochet my last 2 stitches. Here we complete 4 rounds. Round 5, 3 chains. We count first double crochet, make 1 double crochet in each stitch. Okay, here at the end make double crochet. At the end of round 5, make double crochet in my last 2 stitches. Round 6, chain 1, double crochet into same stitch, single crochet into next stitch, 1 double crochet, next stitch, single crochet into next stitch, do and continue, make double crochet, single crochet across. This is round 6, double crochet next stitch, single crochet into next stitch. Okay, here we going to add the same pattern as we add into the sweater. Do and follow the same pattern round 5 and round 6 for the pattern of hoodie. 16 rounds pattern, 4 round single crochet, total 20 rounds. Here 7.5 inches, 19 centimeter length of the hood. From here, length of the hood from here 18.5, 47 centimeter, 18.5, 47 centimeter length. Okay, here close the opening, right side facing together into wrong side, close the opening here. Here close the opening of head. Okay, make slip stitch in each stitch across to close the head. Do slip stitch in each stitch across to close the head into wrong side. Sew and close the opening, back of head. Okay, do slip stitch in each stitch across, back of the head, right side facing together, and close the head, slip stitch, here leave. Okay, here we sew the opening at the end, sew in this direction. Slip stitch in my last stitches. Here 3 stitches both side and sew in this direction. Make a slip stitch into corner. We making shape round here. For round shape, sew this side in here. Finish off is in the round shape here. Hood is ready, hooded cap is ready for sewing. Hooded cap is ready for sewing. Okay, in half. This is a middle stitch in neckline and middle stitch of hood. Center stitch with stitch mark, and here leave 3 stitches, and this side leave 3 stitches, stitch mark, and we going to sew this hooded to the sweater neckline to here. 3 stitch mark. Here we for the measurement. Okay, from here leave the neck band and stitch mark here to the hood corner. Use a whip stitch for sewing hood to the neckline. Do and continue to sew the hood across into the middle, then across the other side, hood and neckline. Okay. Sew together hood to the neckline, hooded cape to the neckline. Sew together hooded cape to the neckline. Okay, do and continue the same work around to sew and close the okay. From here do and continue to sew the hooded cape to the sweater neckline, across into middle, then across other side. Leave here the second front, stitch marked. Okay, continue and finish off sewing. Okay, here we finish a hood, a hooded cape to the sweater. Here close this opening, attach to the sweater here both side, and sew 3 buttons in this front band. Okay, I hope you like this video. For more videos, like and subscribe my channel. Press the bell button for new videos. Thanks for watching.